Okay, next I want to join my material together and make a seam down here. So I put painter's tape to hold this part that we didn't glue down. I'm going to pull this up and over, and I'm going to put some painter's tape on it also, just to hold it in place while I cut so it doesn't move on me. I'm just going to stretch it just a little bit and pull it on there. I want a nice straight seam. That held down, and I'm going to use a straight edge. I don't have a quilting ruler that's narrow, and I need a narrow one. I want to make it straight on there, and I'm going to clamp it down just so that it won't move on me. Put another clamp here on the edge, so my clamp has something to bind against. Okay, let me think this through. Just I wanted to make sure my selvage was way over here, so that I have two pieces of material going together instead of my white selvage. I forgot about that, so I wanted to double check that. Now I'm going to clamp my ruler back on. Oh, good. While I was waiting for my glue to dry, I got a fresh blade. So I've got a really nice blade, and I'm just gonna cut right along here. This is very hard doing it upside down. Okay. And you've got to cut through both layers. I want a nice straight cut. Okay. Nerve-wracking. Then I'm going to use my scissors and cut the excess and try to cut straight. Cut the excess here, straight. Pull my tape off. Didn't quite go deep enough on my second layer. Okay, cut my material. Okay, so if you have any loose strings, pull those off, get rid of those. I'm going to use a little bit more glue. This time I'm just going to use my finger. Put my glue on, make sure I get it way up on the edges. And once again, I'm not taking it up on the flat lip on the top. I'm just doing the front and side. Pull that up. Getting my air bubbles as I go. Go get my rag. Lay that up. Wipe off any excess glue. Make sure all my air bubbles are out. I'm going to put painter's tape over that for it to dry. So it stays on where I want it. And I'll leave that for a couple hours dry and come back to it.